Today we'll show you how to disable ad blocker in your Google Chrome. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and okay, now go to here to this is 3 points. Just click and put it down here and click this settings. Okay, just click and go now to privacy and put it down here. Just click to site settings and put it down and you'll be found edition content settings. Okay, just click one click and you will be find here intrusive ads. Here you can ads are blocked or set webs or no to show and there is no missing ads. Okay, just click and finally I am now enable for ad blocker, but we will need disable like. Okay, just click here and you will be any site webs will be click will be show on you. Okay guys, and finally you can see and to disable ad blocker in your Google Chrome, and you can use this in Windows 11 and Windows 10 and Windows 7. You can use what you want. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.